Hello everybody, today I'll be doing a demonstration video on my Casablanca Mercury. So yeah, let's get started. I got this from, where did I get this from? I forgot his name, but yeah. I got this off eBay. Here's the light. The light is not original, I added the light. Here's the tag. This is Mercury. So yeah. Speed 1. I'm wearing Crocs, sorry about the noise. Speed 2. Fan blows a lot of air. This thing is a very powerful air mover. Maybe because of the space that's in, but it's a very powerful air mover. I got beveled glass in there, 2 Casa poles, not the original blades. I just put these blades because they are the closest set that got to match the Victorian's blades. Now let's turn up to high. So yeah, that was my Casablanca Mercury video. So yeah, see ya. Bye.